Hey, my name is Ryan Maya. I have two YouTube channels, a cooking channel and a personal finance channel that you're watching now. My cooking YouTube channel has 3 videos with multi-million views, and I'm going to show you exactly how much each one of those videos made and how much YouTube actually paid me. So without further ado, let's go into the screen share. So this is my cooking channel, and you can see I have 3 videos, like I mentioned, with multi-million dollar views. Now let's go into our YouTube studio and show you exactly how much each of these videos made. Now you can see as of now, the channel is doing about $30 to $50 a day. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, and for some reason people like to cook steaks, so the channel made $108. What's super cool about these videos is you can see they're consistently getting views, even though I posted them almost 4 years ago, April 2019. So let's dive into this first one. So you can see this video has a total of 2.3 million views, was posted over 4 years ago, didn't get any views for the longest time, and it's made me a total of $13,500 for 2.3 million views. And the reason this video continues to get so many views over those 4 years is because all the traffic is coming from search-based content. People always will search on YouTube how to cook a steak. And you can see most of my subscribers actually came from this channel. So for 2.3 million views, I made $13,500. Now the RPM, or revenue for every 1,000 views that I get, is $6.02. That's actually how much YouTube pays me directly for every 1,000 views, but you can see the video and advertisers are paying $11.17 for this kind of video. Now let's go into our next multi-million dollar video. So this video has 1.8 million views, got me 5,000 subscribers, and has made a total of $6,151. Again, browse features and search based. So YouTube is recommending this video and people are consistently searching for it. And you can see the RPM on this video is lower than the other one at $3.40 and $8.71. And lastly, let's go to this other how to cook a steak video. This one has 1.2 million views and has made $5,200. Let's go look at the RPM. RPM is $4.28 that I make for every 1,000 views, and YouTube and advertiser are paying $10.31. So for my cooking channel, my top 3 videos all are search-based how to cook the best steak ever videos. And over the lifetime of this channel, it's made over $26,000 from learning how to cook steaks on YouTube. Isn't that absolutely amazing? Now let's head on over to this channel that you're watching here and show you some stats on that. So my channel that you're watching right now also does anywhere from $30 to $50 a day. And I'm gonna show you 2 of my top performing videos. This video is my Shopify dropshipping course that has 255,000 views. So just a fraction of what those other videos have, but still makes the same amount of money, $5,300. And the reason is my RPM for this video is $21 and advertisers are paying $52. The reason is this video is in the finance and business niche. It's about Shopify dropshipping. It talks about money, finance, e-commerce, and advertisers are willing to pay more for these type of videos. So if you're in the finance niche, if you're in the business niche, if you're in the money niche, anything to do with business and money, you're going to make more money than, say, how to cook steak videos. Now I'm gonna show you this other video that has 170,000 views, but just talks about how to add captions onto a TikTok or Instagram reel. And you can see it's only made $1,000 and the RPM is much lower, $5, and people are paying $15. So it does matter what kind of content you're making in order to make money from YouTube ad revenue. So the highest paying of all niches is finance and business and money and those kind of topics. But I suggest doing topics that you love because YouTube is a marathon. It's not a sprint. And if you really want to turn this into a full-time business, you have to actually enjoy making the videos and make them on a consistent basis. So if you try to just make videos in the finance niche, you know nothing about finance and you hate finance, don't do it. So my one tip for you to make money on YouTube is to start in a niche or do a passion that you absolutely love making videos about. If you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel, go watch this video right here where I outline the best strategy to get started on YouTube right now. Like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.